For many of the inhabitants of Musikot, these pressures can become too much to bear. The body of this man is being stretchered to the morgue after he killed himself. Jivan Khadka is a human rights worker who, despite the dangers, records abuses as and when they happen.
मानवाधिकार उल्लङ्घनका घटनाहरू व्यापक छन् अहिले पनि केही रूपमा सुधार भए तापनि घटनाहरू छन् अब विद्रोही पक्षबाट अपहरण गर्ने अनि लामो समयसम्म अभियान भनेर लामो समय जबरजस्ती मान्छेलाई राख्ने अनि राजनीतिक आस्थाका आधारमा अथवा आफ्नो युद्धलाई समर्थन नगरेकै आरोपमा पनि मान्छेहरूलाई बलजफ्ती अपहरण गर्ने यातना दिने खालका घटनाहरू भएका छन् भने राज्य पक्षबाट पनि राज्यलाई सहयोग नगरेको आरोपमा अथवा निहत्ता नागरिकलाई निर्दोष नागरिकलाई पनि माओवादीले सपोर्ट गरेको आरोपमा दुःख यातना दिने जेलमा राख्ने लगायतका कुराहरू गरिएका छन् र मलाई के लाग्छ भनेदेखि विगत केही वर्ष यता व्यक्ति हत्या गर्ने प्रवृत्ति केही रूपमा कमी आएकोलाई नै मैले सुधार भनेको हुँ र त्यो भन्दा बाहेक चाहिँ मान्छे सर्वसाधारण जनतालाई जो द्वन्द्वरत पक्षहरुभन्दा बीचका मान्छेहरू सताउने प्रक्रिया त दोहोरो पक्षबाट जारी छ.
One such civilian is Najit Basnet, a friend of Jivan's, a teacher and yet another victim of the conflict. Teachers like Basnet are often the only government employees in remote rural areas and as such are viewed with a great deal of suspicion by the Maoists.
Good afternoon, sit down. Thank you.
Basnet says the Maoists targeted him because his brother was the village chairman and a government supporter, and the scars of his ordeal are never far from his mind.
एक्कासी अगाडिबाट दुई चार जना अगाडिबाट अरु दुई चार जना ढेगारीबाट तलमाथिबाट आएर मलाई यहाँ समाएर यस्तै माथि अलि माथिबाट तल खोलामा फ्याके अनि त्यसपछि म फ्याक्दाखेरि म यतामुखी परे त्यसपछि यहाँ काटे अनि त्यतिबेला म बेहोस भएर तिनीहरुले छपाछप काटे अनि त्यो छपाछप खुकुरीले छपाछप काट्दाखेरि मलाई यो हात छिनाल्दाखेरि यो हात काट्दाखेरि मैले भने मलाई नमार्नुस् भन्ने मेरो लामो स्वर आयो. त्यसपछि यहाँ काटे अनि यहाँ माथि टाउकोमा काटे गाला काटे अनि त्यो पिरौला काटे यो हात पनि काटे अनि म बेहोस थिएँ. म यस्तै ठाडा गाठा लाएर यस्तो गरी बसेको थिएँ. उनीले काटेर अनि हिरे.
These school children are in danger too. Maoists frequently abduct pupils and force them to attend re-education meetings. In Maoist-held territory, meanwhile, B Company of the Maoist 16th Battalion continue their training exercises. The Maoists have used the Himalayan terrain to their perfect advantage, and this has enabled them to control the vast majority of the country, even though they're outnumbered more than 5 to 1.
यो एक्सरसाइज भनेको नि यो मूलतः बंकर जस्तो छ दुश्मनको क्याम्प कब्जा गर्ने अवस्थामा चौतर्फी घेराबन्दी गरेर गरिने यो ड्रिल हो.
पोस्ट मतलब दुश्मनको बंकर हैन जस्ट खोटाङको ऐसेल गरेको यस्तै किसिमको थियो.
The rebels never stay more than a few days in any one place, and fighters give up all semblance of a normal life when they join the Maoists. For Bihani, the party comes first. Love, family and friends all come second to the wishes of the party.
यो ममा छैन हैन मेरो जिन्दगीको बर्बाद भयो हैन यो जस्ट हामीले सोच्यो यो गलत सोचाइ हो हैन जसले गर्दाखेरि अब एउटा यो जिन्दगी भनेको कुनै पनि आखिरी हामीले एउटा चाहिँ जीवनको सवाल र चाहिँ बर्बादीको सवाल हामीले राखेका छैनौं मात्र कि एउटा चाहिँ भनौं न एउटा जनतालाई हैन एउटा कुनै पनि सर्वहारा जनताको हितको निमित्त र एउटा त्यही सर्वहारा जनताको मुक्तिको खातिर नै चाहिँ भनौं न यो आफ्नो भौतिक शरीर पनि समर्पित गर्दै हामी युद्धमा चाहिँ लामबन्दी छौं.
12 hours walk from the nearest motorable road, the small town of Chisapani is a typically underdeveloped Nepali town, and under the effective control of the Maoists. Fear of the Maoists drove the last government representatives away from here long ago, and under the banner of class struggle, the rebels are the new masters of the town. This building used to be a government office, but now serves as a clothes workshop, staffed by members of the untouchable or Dalit caste, spurned for centuries as the lowest of the low.
अहिले राम्रै छ पहिला दलित भन्दा धेरै हेपिएका थिए दलित भन्दा धेरै नै वास्ता थियो दलितको धेरै कुरो गर्थे अहिले त्यति सारा छैन राम्रै होला भन्ने आशमा छ र यति गरेर हामी बसेको
Others sympathise with the Maoists because they've fallen victims of the state. Ganesh Pokharel last saw his son as he set off with a friend to find work in the valley. The next thing he heard of him was when the army announced on the radio that he'd been killed because he was a Maoist, a charge that his distraught father vehemently denies.
अनि एकदम फलामको छडले कुटेको रहेछ अनि दुईटै बिहोस अवस्थामा भए बिहोस अवस्थामा भएपछि त्यो दुर्गा कोइरालाको पहिले होस खुल्यो अरे उसको अहिले त पछि उसको बयान अनुसार नि सर उता छँदैछ मान्छे त्यो भइसकेपछि अनि चाहिँ अनि तेरो प्रमाण के छ झिक भन्यो अरे दुर्गा कोइरालाले 81 अब सुतकुस कहाँबाट आयो के छैन
Kapil Raj is the English teacher at a school that's paid a heavy price in the conflict. In the last 3 years, 2 teachers have been killed, one by the Maoists and one by the army. During the same period, 4 students have been killed by the army on suspicion of supporting the Maoists.
The common people are trapped, yes, between 2 stones, right? Because if the government side comes here, we have to accept. If the Maoist group comes here, we have to accept, yes. And our request is that, please let us freedom.
With no apparent end in sight to the stalemate on the battlefield, the best hope for the people of Nepal lies with a negotiated settlement to the conflict. And unless the conflict is ended soon, there are growing fears that Nepal's pressing humanitarian needs will only worsen.
Nepal has always been on the brink of a humanitarian crisis, even before this war started. I mean, look at our maternal mortality rate, the number of children who die. I mean, we've always had a huge humanitarian crisis, and the insurgency has just made matters worse. And I think now if the world wants to help, really the help is really needed to first tackle the first problem, which is to end the insurgency. And then maybe look at the larger background humanitarian crisis that was always there in Nepal.
But with hardliners on both sides dug in and adamant that the war can still be won militarily, the prospects for peace look as slim as ever.